All right, I have a video for y'all. If any of you want to watch, this is M.A.W. Mondays. This is going to be uploaded this evening before tomorrow because I will not have time to upload any videos at all tomorrow. So this is going to be done early. M.A.W. Mondays is coming early. This is in reference to the Wagatour Part 2. If anyone's been following me for a few years since I've been on YouTube, it's been a couple of years since I did that mod, the first initial mod of the Wagatour 1. Eventually will be coming the Wagatour 3. I'm not going to talk too much about what the Wagatour 3 details, but it should be something pretty great. It should be better than all the initial versions that I put together. So, this is a combination between, this will be changed. The Wagatour 2 will be modified and tweaked as I continue to work on it. The pad, I want to make a bigger pad, so the way I did it, I have to shave the bottom of the wagtail off. If anyone's interested in duplicating this mod, I will show it to you in real time and just leave a comment below. Other than that, if you want to see it up close, to see exactly what I did, just comment below. Other than that, you will see how this thing works. It's a dream in the hand. Not to mention, when it closes out, nothing comes close to perfection when it comes to closing out. With that spring-loaded action, oh man, you're talking about heaven. I'm in heaven. So, this video is a sneak peek at what this tool can do. It's another speed machine, but this can't be used on all jobs. You can, but if you're going to use it like it was intended to be used, you can use it on certain jobs. With the exception of a few soiled areas, you'll have to agitate back and forth. Now, if anyone has ever did a pizza store, you know how when they cook their pizza and they fry chicken wings and all that stuff, you have soot from the grill. When they clean it, all that smoke comes and lays on the window, right? It's a combination of smoke, grease, things of that nature. All right? This tool gets it off in one pass. At least my concoction does. And if you, in the video, if you see me go back and forth, it's because there were pieces of food particles or something to that nature that was on there. But for the most part, this tool gets that soot off in one pass. This is the type of tool, one pass tool, that's good for that actually saves you an extreme amount of time. So take a look at this video and enjoy.
This is Smash at work. This is Smash at work. This is Smash at work.